This is where the Kawasaki Ninja H2R is born. Not in a giant mass production line, but inside the Akashi plant in Hyogo, Japan. Every H2R is hand-built, step by step. And what you're about to see feels more like art than engineering. First, the steel arrives. Sheets of high tensile steel, huge stamping machines slam them into shape. Brackets, tubes, frame parts. This is the skeleton of the H2R. Every hit is loud, powerful, and precise. Next comes welding. Robots lift the steel, sparks flying everywhere. TIG welds lock the skeleton into one solid piece. But machines don't get the final say. Kawasaki's technicians step in, eyes sharp, checking every joint by hand. If it isn't flawless, it doesn't move forward. Now the frame rolls into the paint shop. First, an anti-corrosion primer. Then, the magic Kawasaki's mirror-coated silver. This isn't just paint, it's real silver particles, giving the H2R that liquid metal shine. Temperature and humidity are controlled, so the finish looks perfect. Meanwhile, in another part of the factory, the engine is being built, and not by robots, by Kawasaki's most experienced technicians. Every bolt is torqued by hand. The supercharger system is installed inside a clean room. The engine is run, heat-cycled, inspected. Only when it passes does it meet the frame. This is called the marriage. The heart and the skeleton finally come together. Workers lower the engine into the silver frame. Bolts tighten with precision. The H2R is no longer parts. It's becoming a machine. Now the team moves fast. Radiator, intercooler, air intake, high-speed wheels and tires, Brembo brakes, electronics, sensors, TFT display. And finally, the carbon fiber winglets, those sharp fins that make the H2R look like a jet. Every bolt is torqued, every wire clipped. Quality control is brutal. Badges and covers are fitted. Technicians run their fingers across every edge, every bolt. Protective films cover the paint. If one flaw is found, it goes back. Then comes the moment. Lights on. The engine fires for the very first time. The bike rolls onto a dyno, a giant treadmill for motorcycles. Power, brakes, electronics, all tested under real conditions. UV lamps scan the paint for microscopic flaws. Only when it all passes does it leave the line. Each Ninja H2R is not just built, it's crafted by hand, by experts. This isn't just another motorcycle. It's one of the most extreme machines ever created. First, an anti-corrosion primer. Then, the magic Kawasaki's mirror-coated silver. This isn't just paint. It's real silver particles, giving the H2R that liquid metal shine. Temperature and humidity are controlled, so the finish looks perfect.